So we have actually a lot of problem with the invasive plants. Currently we are managing them more likely where you can see. So from the car, you can detect it, and then we go and whack it or apply herbicide. But it is not a sustainable way to do. What we do is we do area survey with drones, and those drones have sensors, something that we cannot see with our bare eyes, but you can detect like a heat signature or chlorophyll contents or bare ground. So we detect invasive plant using those sensors equipped on the drones, and then we download the image and then we stitch it, and then we use machine learning so that we don't have to look at individual images and then locate where the invasive species are. And then once we detect it, we put insects, the natural enemy insect inside, and we drop it so that they can safely deliver to the invasive plant weed patches, and then they eat the invasive plants. The biggest obstacle is the policy and regulations. So the technology is right up here. The policies and regulation is still down here. This kind of technology can be applied to federal land, state land, and even private land. The most important part of the eastern United States, we have these invasive species are generally national parks and national forests. The invasion is so wide and so intense, it is impossible to detect all of those invasive plants in the national parks and national forests. Once this technology develops, I hope some companies, like private companies or startup companies, pick up this technology and then make it available to citizens. That's the big picture.